Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel consists of beauty hauls, makeup, contact reviews, and hair videos. If you like that type of content, then I definitely suggest that you subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more good content coming for you guys. But this video in particular, we are talking all about hair, and I am going to be doing a U-part wig install. Yay! So I have done a couple different U-part wig installs on my channel here, but this one's exciting because I am using hair from Luvme hair. So this is a brand new company that I'm going to be trying with you guys on camera. This is going to be my first impressions and review of this hair. This is a U-part wig in this box, and I can't wait to try it on. It's in a bob style, so we're going to be installing it, showing the full process of me putting it on, and giving you my final thoughts on what I think of the hair quality and overall the look, I guess. So if you want to find out what I think of Luvme hair and how this hair looks once it's installed, then keep on watching. So you guys, I wanted to show off the beautiful packaging that my Luvme hair came in. Inside the box, there is a cute little quote here. The hair is also nicely packaged in a cute little purple baggie. You can see up close that the hair is silky, smooth, it's soft. I really experienced no shedding or tangling whatsoever. They also sent quite a few little goodies, so we got some wig caps. Inside this little pouch we have a comb, bobby pins, a clip, tweezers, a couple hair ties, and of course they have a little pamphlet to give you all the details of the wig and the company. So starting off with my hair in two plaits, I like to just do this style because it's simple and it's easy under my wigs, and I leave a good portion of my hair out from the top. Let's put this baby on. So I left all this hair out in order for me to help it to blend with my U-part. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin my braids back. Usually I just crisscross them and pin them. If you want your wig to be really nice and flat, you could definitely braid a few more little braids. I'm gonna do a middle part, so I already have that going. And I'm just gonna go in and straighten my natural hair a little bit more because you guys saw previously my hair had a little bit of a slight wave or curl to it. So I'm gonna go in with my straightening iron.
Dice is on the beat. This is the cap. There is one clip at the back.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little part off here. So I'm noticing that this is a size medium. I hope that this fits well because my head is so small. One thing I do really like is that the clips are this kind of clip where it's almost like what's on your clip-ins. And I really like these clips because they're a lot more sturdier than the regular combs. So right off the bat, that is a definite plus. The cap construction feels really good. Feels comfortable on my head. Okay, and she's on. So cute. So my hair is pretty much the same length as this wig, but I am noticing a couple pieces that are a bit longer. So I'm gonna cut them. I know it's kind of crazy, but it's just a little, and it's fine with me. I'm gonna run my straightener over it. Okay, my love, so this is the install, and I love it. This bob is so cute. So I really love this hair, you guys. And that was so easy to put on. This is one of the best U-parts I've tried, specifically for the fact that the clips are not just combs that you put into your hair. They are actual clips, like what you would have on a clip-in extension. So this is feeling so secure and so snug. I feel like I can go crazy, shake my head around, and I know that it's not gonna go anywhere. It just feels snug. My hair is not all one color, as you noticed, so the ends of my hair are a bit lighter. I was worried that it wouldn't match well, but it looks really great still. It just looks like I naturally have a few front highlight pieces, and wow, I love it. So I'm gonna give you guys a better look of the finished look. And then I also noticed that they have this little free gift of clip-in extensions. So we are gonna pop these in again after, but I want to show you guys a better close-up of the hair as is. So babes, I am going to apply the free gift, which is these cute little clip-ins, into my U-part now. I love the fact that they send these for free. I think it's such a sweet touch. And you guys saw all the goodies in the bag as well, so they give you a lot of little extra goodies. But this is such a fun idea because I've never thought of adding a clip-in to a U-part to change it up. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull some of the hair back at the front because I want these ones to go at the front. Ooh. And we'll do one on this side too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What do you guys think? I love this. So it's just like some little peekaboo highlights. This blonde look with like the highlights at the front is really in style right now too. So I love it because if you don't want to dye your hair but you still want to achieve the style, you could definitely do that with these clip-ins. I think it's so cute. And it really changes up the entire look of the wig. So let me know what you guys think. I really love it like this too, and I'm definitely gonna get in closer and give you guys a better view of what these clip-ins look. and the free gift that I got from Luvme hair with my U-part. What a cool little incentive to purchase from their company. Definitely really fun. Okay, my loves, so that is it for a review from this hair company. I love this U-part. I definitely am going to be rocking this style for the rest of the summer and leading into fall. I think it's just so cute. This is an easy wig for, you know, work, gym, going out with your girls. If you just want to switch up your look, it's perfect for you. So I can't wait to rock this. I just posted a little snippet on my Instagram wearing it, and I got so many compliments already on my hair. Everyone is asking me where I got it, so shout out to Luvme Hair for this gorgeous unit. I think you really killed it, and my favorite part about what I received in the mail was the fact that everything was packaged so beautifully, and I got lots of little free gifts, and I just think that that really shows like a personal touch with the company, and those little things make all the difference. My final thoughts about this wig are a couple things. One, I absolutely love the combs. They actually aren't combs, they're clips, which is ideal for a U-part wig because I feel very secure. Like I mentioned, I feel like this wig is staying the heck on. So that is a big A+ for me. The second thing that I love about it is the hair density. This wig is very full, and with a blend style like this, you need to have a full wig. So I really appreciate that I got a lot of hair in this wig. The other point that I'm actually really liking is how the hair feels. Very soft, very smooth, silky. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling or anything really of that sort. I cannot wait to style this hair in different ways. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Do you prefer with the clip-ins, or do you like it just straight black? I can't really decide, and I want to wear it around like this a little bit to see how I feel, because I really can't make up my mind. I also have loads of other hair videos, including other videos on U-parts or lace front wigs, so I'll link them in the description bar if you want to check them out. And I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more content from me. I'm gonna go, I gotta get off of this now, but I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Bye!